Hi, I'm Sandy Ingram. Welcome to the Education Matrix channel, where we provide news updates and tax information for exotic foreign currencies. In this video, we're going to talk about lost money found in Iraq, but no one is talking about how much. First, I want to share an important investment tip. Are you ready? Let's get started. To viewers who work with affiliate programs, and this is an urgent message, be sure to sign up with the Amazon affiliate program, because as of Tuesday of this week, Amazon is now selling prescription drugs online. Hint, hint, hint. When the new Prime Minister took office in May of 2020, he wrote a letter to Parliament saying there was little to no money in the state bank accounts. Later, it was learned that this was not exactly true, but he nor anyone else knew how much money Iraq actually had or has. In order to meet the payment of salaries and pensions in the past few months, trillions of dinars were identified as held in accounts of a number of ministries and SOEs. Now, SOE stands for state-owned enterprises, which was drawn upon while the government also borrowed money from TBI. TBI stands for the Trade Bank of Iraq. But here's the deal. There are dozens and dozens of other government-owned Iraqi bank accounts that Iraq is not sure of. And here's why. The reason Iraq does not know how much money they really have is because Iraq does not have what is called a TSA, which stands for a Treasury Single Account. Now, we know the Minister of Finance has two major bank accounts at the CBI, Central Bank of Iraq, an IQD account and a USD account. And each minister and each state-owned enterprise have a single or multiple bank accounts with state-owned banks. Now, you may be asking yourself, how in the hell could a country not know how many bank accounts it has, or even what the daily balance of each account is? There really is a logical explanation as to why and how this could have happened. Opening a government bank account requires the approval of the Minister of Finance Department. The problem is the Minister of Finance had no database of the number of bank accounts. Okay, so you might say, well, didn't they audit the bank accounts? Well, yes and no. The Iraqi law mandates that each account is balanced within a certain time frame or time limits. But you know how you used to hate balancing your checkbook each month? Well, it is no different in Iraq. The ministers they forgot to balance the bank accounts. And since they were in charge, who was going to say anything? The creation and operation of a Treasury Single Account was initially mandated in the Financial Management Law in 2004, Section 4.9. And the Iraqis talked about it, but for some reason the law was never implemented, even after an agreement was made with the World Bank and the IMF, which stands for International Monetary Fund. Based on this article, Iraq is holding up its own progress due to unwillingness to be transparent.